Hey everyone. So the other day I was looking to replace the microwave light. And while I was surfing Amazon, I realized I could add under cabinet lighting for about $25 through the use of an Alexa powered plug along with a set of LED lights to go under the cabinets. So here we're going to take a $10 plug and a $15 set of lights and add under cabinet lighting to this whole underside of these cabinets, including the microwave. Let's check it out.
Make sure to check out the description below for the product links to these devices.
So the LEDs are actually on this long strip. It's actually 16.5 feet long, so it should be more than enough. Always test first before installing. It makes things much easier. So now we're going to measure the cabinet and see what we actually need.
Measure twice, cut once. It's better than the other way around.
So I'm only coming up with about 12 feet that we'll need. Since I want my plug to be on that side, I'm going to go ahead and start running it from that side, and then we'll end up over here and we'll cut off the excess. Now it does come with these kind of cheesy hold downs, and we'll use them, but we'll probably replace them in the future. Of course, I'll also use my duct tape just to secure it in place while we take a look at how it might end up.
Some people recommend using duct tape permanently here, but I'm not sure that that would be the best case. Now this did take a lot longer than I thought. It took me about 20 or 30 minutes just to get through this part alone. And I'm not sure why, but I guess it's just working upside down and kind of in the dark is what caused that to happen. Now as you'll notice, the LED lights on this paper strip are nearly invisible even while looking up under the cabinets.
Now we'll plug it in and give it a shot. I think I'm going to wrap that all the way around since I have some excess.
In hindsight, you might want to just double up since there's no point in cutting off the excess. You've already paid for it, may as well use it.
Now, these also have kind of a dotted line that allows you to cut it to any length you want. Let's give it a shot. So we plug it in. The app we're using is called Smart Life.
It's called Smart Life in your respective app store, and to get the pairing started, you just hold down the side button until it starts to blink rapidly.
So once we get it set up, we'll go ahead and move it to the location, connect everything, and give it a shot.
Got lucky here and it fit perfectly behind the cutting boards, so it's totally out of sight.
Now we'll go into our Amazon Alexa app and enable this skill called Smart Life.
Enable the skill, link your new account, and you're good to go.
Alexa, turn the cabinet lights off. Alexa, turn the cabinet lights on. The only step left now is to permanently attach them using these little clips. So we'll go ahead and do that.
These clips truly were a pain in the butt. I probably would recommend just starting from scratch with something totally different and throw these things right in the garbage.
Alexa, turn the cabinet lights on.